Next word is dan. Dan. Dan matlab donation. And it's not just about money. So anytime you give anything in cash or kind, that is, it can be clothes, it can be books or food items, anything that you don't need anymore or you think that other people need more than you is called dan. And that can be made in a place of worship or an NGO or to anybody who is poor, needy, or even underprivileged. Next is chanda. Chanda. Chanda is usually money that you pay as donation or contribution for not just charitable purpose but also for religious purpose. Sometimes some people be roaming around your society and ask for chanda. They come and collect chanda from you. That is the fee or that is the money that you contribute towards the organization of some event. And that is usually done around the time of festivals. So that is chanda money that they collect.
अपने गांव में 72 घंटे का अखंड कीर्तन होने जा रहा है। चंदा मांग रहे हैं क्या जी?
Next word is chadhawa. Chadhawa, matlab offering. So anytime you offer money or food items and sometimes even clothing items to God, when you offer God something, only in that context, it's called chadhawa. Next word is fees. Fees. Fees is called fees. Any type of fees is fees. This is a very self-explanatory word. So let's move on to the next one, which is kiraya. Kiraya is rent money. Anytime you pay money for your rent is your kiraya and you become the kirayedar. Kirayedar meaning tenant.
मैं नहीं जाऊंगा, 2 साल का किराया दे के जाऊंगा.
Next word is firoti. Firoti meaning ransom. So this is the amount of money that the kidnappers demand from you so that they can release anybody who has been in captivity or anybody who has been held as a hostage. That is firoti. Next is Eidi. Eidi. Eidi comes from the word Eid, which is a festival. When parents, relatives, or siblings, the elder siblings, give money to the younger ones, it's called Eidi on that festival. Next word is Jurmana. Jurmana. Anytime you pay money as fine for not following the rules, for violating them, or for doing any illegal activity, that is Jurmana. So you pay Jurmana. Next is Chhoot. Chhoot. Chhoot is discount. The percentage or the amount that you get on a certain item in a market, that is छूट. जैसे 20% की छूट, 20% की छूट meaning 20% discount, और 100 रुपए की छूट, 100 रुपए की छूट, 100 rupees discount. Next word is rishwat. Rishwat. Rishwat is the word for bribe, an extra amount or a higher amount that you pay to somebody so that they take your side or do you a favor.
Take him out of the court.
अगर जिंदगी में किसी से रिश्वत ना ली हो तो ही मुझे हाथ लगाना.
Then we have nakad. Nakad. Money in cash is called nakad. And when you win nakad in a contest or competition, that's called nakad inam. Nakad inam, which means cash prize or prize money. Next is a synonym, which is rakam. Rakam. Rakam means cash or wealth. Then we have jeb kharch. Jeb kharch, which means pocket money. Jeb means pocket and kharch means expense. So put together, this is pocket expense or pocket money. For example, आपको कितना जेब खर्च मिलता है? आपको कितना जेब खर्च मिलता है? How much pocket money do you get? Next we have is bachat. Bachat. Bachat matlab savings. This comes from the word bachana. Bachana matlab to save. So the amount of money that you save is bachat. This can be both small savings as well as big savings. So short term or long term both. Whereas When you talk about punji or jama punji, jama punji, you usually talk about life savings. So big savings. Next word is pension. Pension. Pension matlab pension, another self-explanatory word, the amount that you get after retirement or in old age. After retirement, that is pension. Next word is kisht. Kisht. Kisht is an installment. This can be any type of installment, whether you pay installments for your phone or installment on your any type of loan or even the premium that you pay for your insurance, that is kisht. Next is bima premium or bima ki kisht. Kisht can also be called premium and bima means insurance. So बीमा प्रीमियम मतलब इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम, बीमा की किश्त मतलब बीमा इंस्टॉलमेंट और इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम. Next word is बढ़ोती. बढ़ोती. बढ़ोती comes from the word बढ़ना, which means to increase. So anytime you receive a raise or a hike or an increment in your salary, that is बढ़ोती. A synonym of बढ़ोती is इजाफा. इजाफा. मुबारक हो, आपको इजाफा मिला है. मुबारक हो, congratulations, आपको इजाफा मिला है. You've received a raise or you've got an increment. Next words we have are munafa, faida. Munafa, faida. Both mean profit. Any type of profit is munafa and faida. And when you talk about money, profit in terms of money, that is also called munafa and faida. I have a supermarket near my house that's called Munafa Mart. Munafa Mart, because you can do bachat there. You can have a lot of savings and you can receive a lot of profit in terms of chhoot, that is discount. So you get a lot of profit. Hence Munafa Mart. The opposite of munafa and faida are घाटा, nuksan. Ghata, nuksan. So once again, any type of loss is ghata and nuksan. And in terms of money, that is also the same. Ghata, nuksan. Listen to this song.
इसमें तेरा घाटा मेरा कुछ नहीं जाता.
You have the word ghata in the lyrics. Isme tera ghata. Matlab, you have a loss here. It's your loss. Mera kuch nahi jata. It doesn't bother me. It's not mine. Next word we have is bheek. Bheek. Bheek matlab alms. A related word is bhikhari. Bhikhari, which means beggar. So the money that you give to a beggar is bheek.
इनके हाथ में सोने का लोटा दिया ना, फिर भी इन्होंने सिर्फ भीख ही मांगना है.
Next word is dakshina. Dakshina. Anytime you give money to a priest for his services, for his professional services, for any kind of function or event, that is called dakshina. And it is usually a small amount that you pay only in the name. Nowadays, it can also be a big amount, but the priests are not supposed to ask for it. That is, they are not supposed to tell you the amount. You pay according to your own faith. That is called honorarium. So when you pay a priest, that is dakshina. And the money that you pay to a teacher for teaching you a skill is called Guru Dakshina. Guru Dakshina, which is also mentioned in Mahabharata, where Guru Dronacharya had asked for Eklavya's thumb as Guru Dakshina. Guru Dakshina can be in cash or kind, and that is also honorarium. Then when you give money or when you offer money to a Muslim priest for his services, for reading Quran after a housewarming ceremony or for teaching Quran to children, you pay hadiya. That amount is called hadiya. Or when you go to the market to buy a copy of Quran for yourself, then also you pay hadiya. Because we believe that you can never pay any amount of money for Quran since it is priceless. The lessons that the Quran contains, they are priceless, they are very valuable. So you only pay a small fee for its printing. That is called hadiya. Next word we have here is dalali. Dalali, matlab brokerage. Brokerage is the amount or the commission that a broker earns to get your flat or in any kind of transaction where you are the customer and the broker is the middleman where he or she gets your work done. So what they earn is dalali. A broker is called dalal. And what they do, that is the whole business of earning commission, is also called dalali. So a broker is dalal, the business is dalali, and what they earn, the commission, is also called dalali. It can also be called commission. So we have the same word in Hindi, commission. Next word is muavza. Muavza or harjana. Harjana. Both muavza and harjana mean the compensation or the amount of money that you get for some kind of loss or damage. The next word is Maya. Maya. Maya ladki ka naam hai, which also means wealth. You may have heard of this word in a phrase called Moh Maya. Moh Maya. When people say Sab Moh Maya hai, Sab Moh Maya hai, to say that everything is an illusion. Moh means illusion. So when they use the word Moh Maya, they usually talk about this world of illusion or this world of greed and materialistic desires. So they say,
सब मोह माया है, सब मोह माया है.
or they may also say, मैं मोह माया त्यागना चाहता हूँ. मैं मोह माया त्यागना चाहती हूँ. Like I want to leave everything, I want to renounce everything, this greed of wealth, this illusion, the materialistic desires, everything, and just lead a simple, normal life, or may even become an ascetic. The next word is Lakshmi. Lakshmi. Lakshmi bhi ladki ka naam hai, and that also means wealth. This relates to the goddess Lakshmi, who is considered to be the goddess of wealth, the goddess of fortune, good luck, success, prosperity. And people worship goddess Lakshmi on Diwali. On the third day of Diwali, that is on the day of Lakshmi Puja. People believe that when you worship Lakshmi Devi, goddess Lakshmi, Lakshmi comes to your house. That is money, wealth. It enters your house. Another context where the word Lakshmi is used is while talking about daughters. People use the word Lakshmi to talk about the daughters. For example, Hamare ghar ki Lakshmi. Hamare ghar ki Lakshmi. That is our house, not wealth, but good luck or good fortune. So, like saying, ye hamare ghar ki Lakshmi hai. That to say that she is the good luck of a house, or she is the charm of a house, good charm, good luck of a house.
बेटियां बोझ नहीं घर की लक्ष्मी होती हैं. बेटियां बोझ नहीं घर की लक्ष्मी होती हैं.
You really are my lucky charm. मेरे घर की लक्ष्मी.
And then we have Boni. Boni, which is the first sale of the day in business. When you are a businessman, any type, whether you have a huge scale business, a small scale business, or you are a vendor, big vendor, small vendor, even a fruit hawker, vegetable hawker, whatever kind of business you have, the first amount or the amount of money that you get for your first transaction during the whole day is called boni. So let's say there's a mango seller who takes rounds around your society during the day. Anytime he is able to sell his mangoes, whether in the morning or evening, out of that transaction, the amount that he gets out of that, the very first transaction will be his boni. Same goes for a shopkeeper and any type of businessman, as I told you. And here we come to the end. I hope you found the video helpful. It took me a lot of time and brain power to compile this huge comprehensive list of words related to money. You can acknowledge my efforts by liking the video if you found useful, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon because pressing the bell icon will give you notifications in real time, and share with your friends who are in a language learning journey with you all. And also don't forget to leave me any comments and suggestions you have. Learn these words and make it a point to use in different contexts. I know there are too many, but until and unless you practice, you won't get any. I'll see you in the next class. Namaste.